have one of my clients called KD. We've got KD joining us today, and he'll be telling me his journey with the mentorship program, why he joined it, how was his life before, and how was his life after literally a month of joining the program. It's been a month around, KD.
3 weeks.
3 weeks. 3 weeks. Damn, bro.
Three
Damn. Firstly, welcome.
awesome weeks. Yeah.
Welcome to the channel, the program, everywhere.
Too soon, man. Too soon.
Too soon.
Everything
Too soon.
that's
So
yeah.
share your story, bro. Like what's kaisa chal raha hai? How was it before? How is it now? Tell me, give me the rundown.
Bro, I have just one word to sum up my whole experience is that awesome, man. Like that's the lightest of words I can use. Bro, initially before coming to the mentorship, I was stuck, man, in a relationship. And it felt like it was very constricting. And ऐसे लगता था यार कि वो अल्फा है, वो कहाँ है, समझ नहीं आता था, मतलब like I felt like where is it, where did it go? And
So in a sense,
yeah.
so in a sense you were emasculated in the relationship where you had
Yeah.
lost all your sense of purpose and confidence and stuff.
तू बिल्कुल सही एक्सप्लेन करता है.
अच्छा ठीक है. तो मेरे को एक बात और बता, इस रिलेशनशिप में just to clarify, all right, so इस रिलेशनशिप में was this out of choice or was this कि यार because I'm not getting any other girl, I'll just be in a relationship with this one?
Dicey to say.
Dicey to say. All right.
Dicey to say.
ठीक है.
So bro, other than that, like मतलब मुझे पता क्या लग रहा था कि मैं जी नहीं रहा था bro, मैं जिंदा था बस. Like I wasn't taking the risks I was supposed to take, and I was regretting most of life that fuck man, this woman just walked by, the most amazing, like 10 bro, 10 भी क्या बोलूं, 100, like in all honesty. And like that she wants to talk to you and you're just not talking to her because of XYZ reasons. And it was just a lot of pain, man, to live inside that kind of world. And like and also bro, with the relationship यार, मतलब मैं ना एक साउथ दिल्ली का, मतलब like वो गुड बच्चा बन रहा था bro. मतलब it was a little, it felt like I was stuck in the situation कि मैं सोचता था bro कि when I'll be 30 I'll have like this will be my score and everything. And by the time I was 21 I landed in a serious relationship and I didn't even know when my like 7 years or 8 years went by. And more importantly bro, I relied on materialistic things bro, to get validation, to get approval, to get women. और कभी नहीं मिलती थी bro. That's the fact of the situation कि कभी नहीं मिलती थी. आप जितने मर्जी पैसे खर्च कर लो, you don't get it. And
this is in relation to the girl's attention and validation.
Exactly. And so I was, I had just broken up and I knew about game, but I didn't know कि ये दिल्ली में चलता है. Well, India में चलता है, pan India में. And when I called bro, when I saw your infield, like bro, तू इस चीज के लिए मेरा place bar भी मत कर, but मैं बोलूँगा. ठीक है. Bro, तेरा infield देख के ना, मतलब मैंने कहा भाई ये कौन है? And obviously bro, like I guess we're the same age, so like my ego kind of like took a hit, right? Like immediately I was like, how is this guy getting shit done, man? Like, so and at that point I was like, bro, koi baat nahi, it's all good. Like, cause like at that point I felt like maybe I need to learn, I needed the humility to just come down and learn. And I called up your team, and that was one major conversation. Uski bhi ek alag kahani hai. And
so that call, how was that call? Was that eye opening for you?
Yeah, man, it was. It was really eye opening because like after a long time, man, someone told me how my problem was for what it really was.
Right.
It wasn't like somebody saying, bro, you should try this or something like this. He told me straight up, bro, this is your problem. And I was just like, bro, क्या बोल क्या दिया bro, इसने हो क्या रहा है, इसने बोल क्या दिया?
Right, hitting it on the nail.
It was like the ultimate eye opener, man. And I joined immediately, and week 1 unlock हुआ. और bro, मतलब मैंने जब first week का देखा भी नहीं था ना bro, I got to know there's a community, right? There's like so we have our own WhatsApp, and we have like outreach, which bro like have helped me in like the difficult of times, as you know.
Yeah.
So many inputs, man, and
Yeah.
just so, bro. Like what I know today is that I'm on week 3 right now, and from what I have gathered, whatever little I have is, bro, it's a process, man. You can't expect everything to happen in the first day. uh, मैं पहले बहुत scarcity mindset से approach कर रहा था कि एक ही है, like just be as needy as you can get to the other person, and and that ended up hurting me and in my own results. And like it came to a point where like my own girlfriend started resisting me. And today, bro, like I get the same call from that woman. She's willing to wait for me till like 5 years, and she's the way woman is waiting. Like she's like, I am not letting you go, because she realizes, man, that I'm now operating from an abundant mindset. And also, bro, like I have the confidence to speak what's on my mind, man. On a personal level, it has really helped me, because I can say no. The first thing I realize is, bhai, I am willing to walk away. Nahi chahiye, nahi chahiye. And that shows something, man. It shows
Yeah.
that you're not afraid to not get something, or you're not
Yeah.
afraid. You're not needy, basically.
Yeah, you're not desperate and needy and clingy.
And the lecture on the webinar on inner game, bro, that just 3 घंटे ना, वो ऐसे लग रहा था कोई क्रिस्टोफर नोलन की मूवी बना रखी है. Bro, it's just transformative, man. Like, to be the same person in the same house, living with the same people, and they can see, like he's visibly active. He's more. He's living life. And my parents are fucking happy with me. They're like, "Kahan ja raha hai har roz?" Like, and like,
Right.
like it's coming to a point where I feel good about myself.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
at the end of the day, it's not about the women or dating. It's about what you feel from inside, bro. If you're happy with yourself, that was my motivation. I wanted to live my life on my terms. I wanted to have confidence to speak my mind. I wanted to really like live. And
Yeah.
मैं alpha हूँ, bro. मतलब there nobody who can tell me I'm not an alpha.
Yeah.
So to like claim it, like like ये मेरी चीज है, and like like you can see that, like
this is my fucking quality.
Yeah. And bro, like not like, and coming from somebody who's not getting paid to like give any kind of testimony or anything, but I'm genuinely grateful, because today I know I'm good enough, man. I'm smart, I'm intellectual, I'm funny, I'm attractive, I'm humorous. I know I have these qualities. मैं जानता हूँ, and और कभी कभी deeper level पे भूल भी जाता हूँ, but like I know, right? Like I'm only human as I can be. And also, bro, like like I feel better, and the people around me feel better. And bro, I'll tell you what happened. Like, this was week 1, right?
Yeah.
So
And then you had like missions also to do week 1, right?
I think I scored 100 on those missions.
Acha, sai, perfect. Okay. So tell me, what happened then?
I started approaching. It was pretty basic, man. The missions were pretty basic. They don't require you to do a lot of stuff.
That's the idea, yeah. Because anyway, it gets intimidating in the start, right? So we want to keep it very simple, and then slow and steady, build it up a notch.
So like, if you can't approach a woman directly, go talk to a guy, man. Like, say hi. Like I was fortunate enough that I could go talk to a woman, but I still tried. I opened at the first day, bro. I opened my Watchman. I opened MCD staff people.
अच्छा, सही.
सुबह बस मैं ओपन ही कर रहा था, साइकिल चलाते हुए. मेरा काम ही ये था, मैं 7-8 लोगों को ओपन करना है मैंने.
Conversations करनी है, conversation start करनी है बस. For people who don't know what opening is, it's basically starting conversations with people.
Yeah. And even I wasn't aware of these conversations.
Yeah.
I wasn't aware.
Jargon,
I'm still not.
Yes. Yeah. It's not necessary anyway. Like, normal is fine.
Bro, like like it got to a point where, and this is a personal true reference. I went back. I said good morning to this SPG protectee team, right? Like, so they're like a special protection team. वो 26 commandos होते हैं, ठीक है? और मैं उनको जाके ना good morning बोल रहा था, और वो मुझे कुछ कह नहीं रहे. मैं वापस गया, bro. मैं वापस गया. मैंने कहा, सर आपने मुझे गुड मॉर्निंग नहीं बोला. Everybody is like, sir, राम राम. And like that's the amount of and that day was like one good day, man. Like I felt कि यार, even if like on a on a female level, I didn't get anything, but I felt good about myself that day.
Yeah, of
And
course. So
all in all,
tell
bro,
me,
like,
when did you start, like, so this was the first day. Then when did you
yeah,
start talking to girls, and then you ended up meeting your current girlfriend? How did that happen?
bro, this was a uh, very too fast, too soon story, and and I wasn't, my webinars weren't opening, man. Like I was like कि please मेरा webinar खोल दो, मुझे पता नहीं है क्या करना है. I'm like,
But
and
that's
it
the thing now, bro. I mean, we're so much into content, and like it's mostly about the self confidence, that having the
exactly
confidence in yourself. And like I remember meeting you, like when we met in CP, right? And you're like,
right.
bro, like what are these people saying? What are the other people saying? I was like, bro, what you need, you have that. Don't fall into the trap of more information. Keep
And
it basic.
relating to the same thing
Hmm.
about I'm just going back that when I got the call from when I called Iron Man to
Hmm.
find out about what exactly is wrong, and
Yeah.
the guy straight up told me, bro, you are getting a lot of information from a lot of places,
Yeah. Yeah. You need to cut that
and
out.
I needed to cut that out, man.
Yeah.
I have enough webinars today that I can't even have the time to watch
Yeah,
because I'm so
exactly.
busy
See,
getting.
now we've opened your webinar. Now you can't see. So that's the
I
thing, now.
I have so many results waiting every day, man, that I can't,
Hmm.
like, I'm not able to give out time to watching the webinar. You
Yeah.
know, it's
Yeah.
like unleashing like Usain Bolt on the field, man. Like in all honesty. And bro,
ठीक है.
matlab, like it's just so I'll tell you about this woman. Like I was opening 5 guys every day, right?
ठीक है. So when
Mera
did you start
confidence.
talking to girls? हाँ वो हाँ ठीक है. Let's come there. We've gone
So
to the first day SPG group and everything. तो आगे का बता मेरे को. How did that play out?
second day, third day, I went and I started approaching women, and
Hmm.
bro, पहले दिन तो फट गए यार, समझ ही नहीं आया क्या हो रहा है, मतलब like
Hmm.
she was like not at all, I did not anticipate her positive reaction at all. Like my mind
Hmm.
was just telling me कि भाई ये तो मारेगी तेरे को या कुछ होगा, मतलब क्योंकि मतलब this is the current scenario of the
Yeah.
whole country, and like the the socio-political
Yeah.
the web of thought is inclined towards every guy thinking that भाई अगर मैं इससे बात करूंगा ये मेरे को मारेगी,
Drink
and
फेंकेगी, insult करेगी, something like that, right?
and it's not that, it's if you're like if you're a self confident uh like well dressed, like week 2,
Week
like
two.
well
Yeah. Well dressed week two.
like well dressed, like you know what you're doing,
Yeah.
and
Yeah. Which we cover in week two. That's what we mean by week two.
and I'm guaranteeing you, man, like
Yeah.
I'm guaranteeing to everybody watching this, I'm literally looking at the camera. There is no way, bro, she will say anything but anything but thank you. If you give her a compliment, she will never say fuck off. Like there'll be a few
Hmm.
cases, but we all know like those few cases have like you know uh and bro, like like what I figured out was that I don't need anything, man, to get
Hmm.
my game going, bro. I'm
Yeah.
well off, man. I come from a good family here in Delhi, and मैंने 2 हफ्ते तक शुरू में उस बंदी से जो मेरी करंट गर्लफ्रेंड है, मैंने उससे 2 हफ्ते तक सबसे गंदे कपड़े पहन के बात करी है, bro. I didn't even
Right.
wear a watch, bro. मैं watch भी सबसे गंदी, मतलब कोई strap वाली या सब the worst shit, and I was getting the best results out of that, man. Like
Hmm.
so,
Because it's
it
mostly about the confidence, and it's very basic stuff. When it comes to approaching, people feel that we need to be better than everyone else. Whereas it's just like you just need to just be able to sort of start a conversation and sort of just hold it and just थोड़ी सी बात कर लो. That's enough. Because
yeah,
no one's doing
man.
that. Right? Like the bar is so low.
Bro, that was one of the things that I was going to honestly tell you, and you told it for me, that when I approached this girlfriend of mine,
Yeah, yeah. Tell me about this story. हाँ, ये बता पहले.
so I was out in a sports complex,
Yeah.
and I was opening left, right, and center, man. Like I didn't give a fuck kaun hai, she's old, she's young. I opened a 67-year-old. I told her she's the most beautiful 67-year-old I ever saw,
Mm-hmm.
right? And
But not in a creepy way. Very like very nice way.
no, nothing, like
तो
just like a
लोग बोलेंगे
compliment.
बंदे हैं
No.
हमें. Old women
No,
पे hit
bro.
कर रहे हैं.
No, bro. Like she was like a very beautiful woman, and I found her like that. I didn't have any malice in my head, bro. And so I was approaching women and just starting conversations, and I had already my routine of talking to 5 or 6 strangers in the morning, and
Hmm.
it's like, bro, it's like वो दो number के marks होते हैं ना, like दो
Hmm.
number के questions होते हैं ना, that's the ones that really gives you the
Yeah.
marks.
Not the 6 markers and 10 markers. Yeah.
तो मैं वो 2 नंबर के उससे I had developed a lot of confidence. I just went, said hi, and instant date, man. Like we spent an hour and a half. She
Hmm.
had, so at the sports complex, there's like, they're like bulky dudes, and like they're looking at
Yeah.
me and they're like hating on me, okay? And I'm
Yeah.
literally using this to my advantage. I'm like, I told her, like, you see these guys, they're like so good looking and like they're like all
Yeah.
jacked in, but they don't have the balls to talk to you. I do.
Hmm. Hmm.
And
Hmm. Hmm.
it's just like when you say that, okay, like I'm on her level when I talk to her.
Yeah.
When I go talk to her, I'm on her level already.
Hmm.
So like it was just beautiful, man, that
For
whole
the
situation.
context, like what's your height, KD?
I'm 5'6",
5'6", right? And all the other dudes must be like taller than you and stuff, right? How old
six
is?
two.
Yeah, 6'2". Other
Yeah,
guys
man.
and everything, jagged and shit. And how tall is this girl that you met?
She's 5'4", 5'5".
Okay, so almost like similar height only. She's like हम साथ में जा रहे हैं, ठीक है.
And and even that, even having that to my disadvantage and still making it out, you
Yeah.
know with elegance, with like beauty, like like it was just like, honestly, man, that day was uh one miracle that God sent me, that lay to lay, bro, like aaj tera din hai.
तूने
And
मेहनत करी ना. You put in the work. You put in a week before that, bro. पूरा अच्छे से.
I'm very proud that I did, man. I'm
Yeah.
very proud of
Yeah, you
myself.
should, bro.
And thank you. And
हम्म.
just
तेरी
like
मेहनत बाबा, तेरी मेहनत.
and bro, like I was just getting so much information from everywhere. YouTube is
Hmm.
full of crap, bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
Somebody tells you to do this, somebody tells you to do that, and at the end they post like this golden star, and like some star they put like on 500 million subscribers, and
Hmm.
it's all like, bro, are you trying to help the other person, or are you
Hmm.
trying to make your own followers?
Yeah.
And I was getting caught in that, dude, because my main objective was to help myself, and
Hmm.
I was getting caught up in other people's narratives.
Yeah.
And I when I came across you as Iron Man, and there was no selling anything, bro. Like there
Hmm.
wasn't. There was just this video, uh, like
Yeah.
देख ले काम करता है, चाहिए तो बता दियो. Like
Hmm.
it was
Hmm.
like
Hmm.
a cut clear deal. And
Hmm. Hmm.
I
Right.
honestly,
Right.
man, like my first reaction to this working, right? Like
Hmm.
it was
Hmm.
just like my mouth dropped. I was
Hmm.
completely shocked because I knew about game. I've been abroad. I've seen game happening, but
Hmm.
here, like it's just like, what the fuck, man? Where, well, it's like one of those secrets like that those 12th don't tell you, and you're in 8th, and I'm like,
Yeah.
what the fuck, man? Like, and in overall, man, like in just watching your content online, as well as even if you're not watching, even if you're not signing up for this mentorship, just following somebody who's like, I'm not gonna play it like really like a saint. You're not a saint, bro.
Not at all.
Yeah.
Not
But
at all.
like what you do for others could be
Hmm.
called saint. Like I
Hmm.
think
Hmm.
in that regard, it would be called saintly, because भाई मेरी तो help हुई है. I don't know about other
Hmm.
people. And मैं तो इतनी ज्यादा रिजल्ट्स आने लग गए, मैं वीक 2 खुलवा खुलवा के मैं ग्रुप पे डाल रहा हूँ, ब्रो, खोल दो, यहाँ पे रिजल्ट्स आ रहे हैं भाई, क्यों क्यों नहीं खोल
Hmm.
रहे. And I
Hmm.
just that excitement, man, like it was
Yeah.
missing, a rush of like adrenaline and dopamine, पता नहीं क्या
Hmm.
क्या घुस
Hmm.
गया
Hmm.
था दिमाग में. And
Say,
this is all. I don't drink, I don't booze, I don't do any of those stuff.
amazing.
And like and to be able to say to the woman, bro, I don't drink,
Hmm.
and this is what you get, and she's like, yeah, I don't mind. And
Yeah.
you, like, because I had no confidence in myself
Hmm.
before the, like, some level of confidence before the mentorship, and it has just skyrocketed, man,
Hmm.
phenomenally.
Hmm. Amazing. Amazing. So now your confidence is boosted up. You're confident whatever clothes you wear, you don't wear. Validation क्या है, क्या नहीं है, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता
Exactly.
है. There's a
Exactly.
general excitement towards life and rush that even your friends and family can notice. There's some change out there.
Yeah.
And you're living life on the front foot. And now you have an amazing girlfriend as well. जिसके साथ
Yep.
you're having some crazy experiences. here and there. All right, which we're not gonna say, but like KD's been living the life and having such crazy experiences of his life, and like इसके आगे भी bro Buzz Lightyear वाली बात है, to infinity and beyond I can see for you.
Thank you,
ठीक
thank
है,
you.
बहुत ही सही है bro, बहुत ही सही. And yeah, I think we can wrap it up here, right? Is there anything else you want to say?
Bro, I know today that I'm good enough, bro. मैं जानता हूँ.
Hmm.
And that it was my inner beliefs about that what society had, you know, put in me, that I'm not worth it, I'm not good enough, that
Hmm.
were like, you know, like just cock blocking myself to towards the situation. If you know, that's an
Yeah.
inside joke for me and Shitish, but
Yeah. Yeah.
uh, like, yeah, man, we love self sabotage. And you know, the thing that, and this is something that is what I want to say in from my heart, is that this is not something you do to get something from the other person.
Hmm.
It's something you get to do from yourself. it,
Yeah.
it, it, it is not just dating, it's spirituality, it's self growth, it's confidence, it's personal development. And my fingers aren't enough to tell you what all they are, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, bro, that's what it really has done for me, and I'm hoping, and I know that it will.
Yeah. Yeah. Amazing, bro. Thank you so much for coming on. I think we wrapped it up nicely, and I'm glad you've been getting so amazing results, bro. Infinity and beyond is kya aage. Wish you all the success and everything, and of course, I'll see you on the next.
My wings have just like come up like.
Yeah, yeah. अभी उड़ना बाकी है. बहुत ही सही, bro. Thank you for coming
Right.
on, man.
Cheers.
All right. See you.